Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a smooth, saturated green backdrop and hang it taut. You want no folds, no bright spots. You position your subject about 3 to 6 feet from the screen so edge spill is minimized. Next, set 2 soft lights at roughly 45 degrees, 1 key, 1 fill, and add a hair light if you have it. This separates the subject. Once those elements are in place, check for even illumination and adjust distances to avoid shadows. This saves heavy color correction later. Now you control the camera. Switch to manual exposure and lock ISO, aperture, and shutter speed so every frame matches. You set white balance to a neutral card or use a camera preset. Shooting in a flat picture profile gives extra room for grading. Compose with proper headroom and shoulders in frame, and make sure the subject wears no green or reflective jewelry because those will key out. Once done, record test clips and inspect them at real size to catch any hotspots or color bleed. Import your clips into your editor and apply a chroma key effect. Sample the green and raise or lower tolerance until the background is transparent. Then refine the matte, soften edges slightly, use spill suppression to remove green reflections, and add a tiny edge blur so the subject matches the background depth. Once satisfied, export with alpha if you need overlays. If you see fringing or color halos, go back to lighting and reduce backlights or increase subject distance. That simple fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.